Schülke has come up with a ready-to-use solution for the reprocessing of non-lumened ultrasound probes or flexible endoscopes, such as TEE probes or transvaginal probes. The gigasept powerSET3. The correct application is shown in this video. The packaging of gigasept powerSET3 is optimized to prevent mix-ups between the different reprocessing steps. The tubs are therefore firmly anchored in the box. Please read the instructions for use first to ensure a safe application. Disinfect your hands before reprocessing medical devices with the gigasept powerSET3 and put on suitable protective clothing. The first step is cleaning. To do this, open the tub of gigasept powerSET3 cleaning wipes, take out one wipe and close the tub again. Unfold the wipe. Wipe the medical device thoroughly from proximal to distal until no more soiling is visible and all surfaces have a slight film of moisture. Pay particular attention to joints, edges, and recesses. Hard-to-reach recesses on the medical device should be cleaned additionally. To do this, press a tip of the wipe into the recess 5 times in a rotating motion. After cleaning, avoid resoiling of the medical device, for example, by placing it in a clean holder or using a sterile pad. Dispose of the used cleaning wipe in accordance with local regulations. Change protective gloves and carry out hand disinfection. The second step is high-level disinfection. Open the tub of gigasept powerSET3 disinfection wipes. Take out one wipe and close the tub again. Unfold the wipe. Wipe the medical device thoroughly from proximal to distal. Ensure that all areas are evenly and completely wetted so that all surfaces have a slight film of moisture. Pay particular attention to joints, edges, and recesses of the medical device. Disinfect hard-to-reach recesses additionally by pressing in a wipe tip in a rotating motion. Ensure that the medical device is protected from recontamination during contact time, for example, by placing it in a disinfected holder or using a sterile pad. Maintain a contact time of 5 minutes. Dispose of the used disinfection wipe in accordance with local regulations. The last reprocessing step is rinsing. Each gigasept powerSET3 rinsing wipe is individually packaged. Open the packaging at the marked point. Remove and unfold the wipe. Wipe the medical device thoroughly until all surfaces are completely wetted and possible residues of the disinfectant are removed. The reprocessing is now complete. Dispose of the used rinsing wipe in accordance with local regulations. Take off protective clothing and perform hand disinfection. Please do not forget to complete the documentation in the enclosed booklet to ensure full traceability. Select the medical device that has been reprocessed and note the serial number or another unique identification number. Enter the date and time of reprocessing and tick the boxes for the successfully completed reprocessing steps. If the medical device is to be stored after reprocessing, take a record label sticker from the enclosed sticker sheet and put it in this field. Alternatively, if the medical device is used after reprocessing for a patient who can be clearly identified, take the record label sticker and put it in the corresponding patient file. Also note the patient-related data in this field or stick the patient sticker here. Finally, confirm the proper execution with your name and signature. Gigasept powerSET3, the new standard in manual reprocessing using wipes.